Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can change the issue type for issues on Jira. It is very simple, guys. So let us dive right into it. Head over to your account on Jira and let me, for example, access one of my ongoing projects. For the sake of this tutorial, guys, let me convert, let's say, one of these tasks into another issue type. You may do that by left-clicking into the given task. So let me go with that one here, or that work item to be more precise here. And next, click into these three dots here in the top right corner, actions, and select move from that menu here. And last but not least, change the issue type, guys, in that menu here. For example, there you go, select the issue type by clicking into this arrow down, into the drop down menu here. As you can see, the current issue type is task, but you can go with any other supported issue type like subtask or story or epic or back to task, and simply select it. So let me convert that one into a subtask, and then you may assign, for example, a parent issue if the subtask is subtasks basically need parent tasks, which makes sense. So select another task as the parent task, confirm by clicking into next here, or to give you a better example, guys, convert the task into an epic. You may do that as well. Click into next here, and that's basically it. So once that's done, Jira will ask you for confirmation, and also you will be given the opportunity to request a confirmation email for this update by clicking into this button here. And after that, Jira will convert or change the issue type from the previous issue type to the subtask. In this case, you click into confirm, wait for a brief moment, and after a brief moment, the given issue type will be changed and migrated to its new issue type. Click into acknowledge here to confirm this, and that's it. Now, if I, for example, check my task here, guys, you will see that it now has been converted into another issue type, into a subtask of that parent task here. And that's it. That's how it works. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.